Are you looking for a reliable way to convert your PST files into PDF format? Introducing Regain PST to PDF converter software. The best solution for converting your bulk PST files to PDF format without any kind of data loss. To download this software on your device, go to Google and search for Regain PST to PDF converter. Open this website from Google search. Here, click on the free download button and download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, right-click on the exe file and select Run as Administrator. Simply just follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and check out its features. This is the dashboard of the software. Here first you will need to add your PST files. For that, click on the Add Outlook Files button. Select the PST files which you want to convert and click on the Open button. Then click on the Next button. As a result, the PST file will be successfully imported on this software. Simply click on any folder and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top left panel. Now click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom left panel. To start converting the PST files, click on the Export button. Here you have the option to convert your PST files into EML, EMLX, PDF, HTML, and many more formats. According to our target, I am selecting the PDF format, and then click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PDF files and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. Within a few seconds, the conversion will be completed, and all the PDF files will be saved in your local directory. So this is how you can use this software and convert your PST files into PDF format. Besides the conversion, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. Under cloud migration, you have the option to directly migrate your PST files into Office 365 or Exchange Server, Amazon Workmail, and if you select any of the above 4 options, a new window will appear. Here you can connect your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook, or MSN or Hotmail, hosting or webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. In this tutorial, I'll show how you can connect your Gmail account and directly migrate your PST files data into it. For other email accounts, the process will be same. First, select the Gmail or G Suite option. Then enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Here, make sure to enter the app password in case two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. Then simply click on the Login button. In this wizard, simply click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and once it's done, all the folders of the PST file will be successfully migrated to the Gmail mailbox. Here you can see that the migration process has been completed. Now let's open Gmail and verify the migration. Here you can see that the new levels has been created, and all the folders with all emails has been successfully migrated. That's all about the software tutorial. If you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.